Did you know that 322,103 properties went into foreclosure in the US in 2024? I know what you're thinking. That sounds scary, but that figure is much less than the modern peak of foreclosures. 2010 was a rough year for homeowners because there were nearly 3 million foreclosures thanks to the Great Recession. Now, today, understanding what foreclosure really means can help you make much smarter decisions, whether you're buying, selling, or just learning how the housing market works. Hey everyone, welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday, where I break down, well, if you haven't noticed, real estate concepts in plain English so you can make much more informed decisions. So if you're new here, well, I'm Alex, and today we're going to be talking about foreclosures, what it is, how it happens, and what it means for both buyers and sellers. And if you like these easy to understand explanations, be sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe so you never miss out on any upcoming 2 Minute Tuesday episodes. And besides, it does help the channel reach much more people, helping more people with real estate in general. So we thank you in advance. Now, let's talk about what is a foreclosure in simple terms. Well, foreclosure is the legal process a lender uses to take back a property when a homeowner hasn't kept up with their mortgage payments. Think of this as a last resort safety net for the lender. They want to recover the money that they lent you. No surprise there. And the home itself serves as collateral. While this might sound a bit harsh, foreclosure is essentially a tool to enforce the mortgage contract when payments aren't made. Here is a real world example. Imagine somebody buys a home but loses their job and can't make the mortgage payments for several months. The lender will usually start with warnings and may try to work out a solution like a payment plan or loan modifications. Now, if those efforts don't work, the lender begins the foreclosure process, which can result in the home being sold at auction. Now, for a homeowner, well, foreclosure can have long-term effects on credit, to say the least. For buyers, well, these homes, well, they can sometimes be purchased at discounted prices, though they do often require some extra due diligence. And when I talk about doing due diligence before purchasing a foreclosure property, I mean doing all the necessary steps, thoroughly investigate the home, its history, any potential risk before committing your money. See, buying a foreclosure can seem like a bargain, but these homes often come with hidden challenges that a traditional sale might not have. So it's also important to understanding the timing. You see, foreclosure laws, well, they do vary from state to state, but typically a lender must give notice before taking legal action. There's also a period that is called pre-foreclosure or notice of default. Now, during which the homeowner they have a chance to catch up with payments or to negotiate a short sale. Now, a short sale, while on that topic, happens when a homeowner sells their property for less than what they actually owe on the mortgage, and the lender agrees to accept the lower amount to avoid foreclosure. It's an alternative for homeowners who are struggling financially but also want to avoid the more serious consequences of a foreclosure. Now, on that, if you want to learn more about that, be sure to check out my other video on short sales, and I'll put that in the description down below so you can learn more about that. Anyways, knowing the general timeline of a foreclosure helps both buyers and sellers plan ahead and avoid unnecessary surprises. From a buyer's perspective, purchasing a foreclosure home can, well, be a opportunity, but it's not always straightforward. Now, some foreclosures are sold as is, meaning the buyer may inherit repairs, or, of course, unwanted liens. Working with a knowledgeable realtor can help navigate these potential challenges, and understanding the foreclosure process ensures, well, you're going to be prepared to making a bid. Now, for homeowners, well, look, foreclosure, there's no way of getting around this. Foreclosure is stressful, but it is not inevitable. Communication with your lender, exploring loan modification options, or consulting a housing counselor can often prevent the process from getting all the way to auction. So being informed about what a foreclosure really means allows you to take action before it is too late. So if you're curious about how foreclosures work in your area or want tips for buying a foreclosure safely, friends, talk to your realtor. They're going to be your best resource. If you have any questions or experiences or stories about foreclosures, drop them in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. And actually, speaking of hearing from you, if you happen to be in California and looking to buy or sell or just want some information about the market here, reach out to me. I am an agent right here in Orange County, California, and would love to sit down and chat with you. But friends, that's going to be it for this video here. Thanks as always for tuning in to yet another 2-Minute Tuesday. Now, don't forget to hit the like button for this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another episode. Now, next week, of course, I'll break down another key real estate concept to help you make more informed buying or selling decisions. With that said, I will see you in the next video.